If you can't make it out to one of our Show Your Jugs Paint and Sip parties, well, we'll bring the party right to your door. You can make these adorable mini jug lamps with easy instructions. 8 ounces of State House White, 8 ounces of our decoupage, the brushes, and all the instructions you need to make these adorable lamps for your home. Here's how it starts. Hi, Sarah Spencer with Vermont Chalky Paint, and I wanted to go over with you our Show Your Jugs Paint and Sips and what exactly is that, what's it all about. Well, our Vermont Chalky Paint is housed in these half pint and quart jugs that are behind me with our Pro Packs, so you can basically paint an entire kitchen with a Pro Pack. And instead of throwing those jugs away, we repurpose them into these decorative tea lights, and they're mini jug lights during our Show Your Jugs Paint and Sip parties. And a portion of proceeds help cancer patient support groups and other charities in the communities that we are fortunate enough to serve. And what we do is we put these kits together to teach you exactly how to make your own decorative tea light. So I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing with you and show you exactly how this works as soon as I can open the box. So when you open your kit, the first thing you're going to see is your lampshade that you get to decoupage and decorate with these decorative napkins. There's also your instructions that are there. It tells you on this side what you need, what's included in the kit, what is not included, and your directions are over here. Your napkins are inside. So in this one kit, it has the flowers and it has the bicycle. It has your little lamps, your lights that you can put in. The jug you get to decorate along with 2 foam brushes. Our State House White paint that you can paint your jug with first. Our decoupage formula. Comes with 3 light kits, a little bit of twine that you can decorate your jug with after. And it comes with 3 of these lamp holders. And the reason that there are 3 is when you finish with the decoupage and your paint, you can also repurpose those jugs so you have a little trio, and trios are always beautiful when decorated. So that's what's inside of your kit, and the directions are there, and I will be posting different tutorial videos at our showyourjugs.com website and also at the Vermont Chalky Paint website. So I think you're going to have a lot of fun with these. So if you can't come to one of our live Show Your Jugs Paint and Sip parties, you can have a little party in a box coming right to your door. Thank you so much for all of your support with Show Your Jugs, powered by Vermont Chalky Paint.